Yeah, it's pretty nice, actually. Okay, so then with lights and everything, you know what? We can actually probably take... I'm tempted to see if we can take this one down. I don't know. Because we got 1, 2... I think there's actually a third one down there that we almost can't see. Oh, there is a third one that's like really buried down there. It's like down... I can't even get to it. We should take it down. I mean, there's that one. I mean, I guess it's fine. I guess there's no... It's not really hurting anything down there. Sort of like rounds out the ride, you know? I wonder if we grab this. Would this improve the look of this at all? That's literally the same rock. This might actually be a bit better. I think. It's hard to say. Let's try a couple more. Okay, maybe we won't do that right now. This game in No Man's Sky really works, but COD or Splatoon is hard to follow. Got 3 screens, the other 2. You're my radio. Nice. Yeah, the action games are definitely harder to follow, no question. This is definitely more of a background chill game. Is this too much waterfall? I don't even know. Okay, so let's review here. So if you come in here, yeah, you can kind of see the... Although you almost need like a raised area here for this to work well. I wonder how we do that, like a viewing platform almost. Oh, it could be... Oh, interesting, though. It could actually be a viewing platform above the boat. That's an option. Or something like that. Or like even across... Oh, actually, here's an idea. Here's an idea. I have something going across here. Is that enough room? That's enough clearance, yeah. So what if we did this? What if we did this? This is crazy, right? This is crazy. What if we did this? Hang on. Let's go curve. Why does it do that? It's so weird. See, I wouldn't think curve would mean come out from the center. I would think it would mean out from the side. Like that. But that's not the way it seems to work. Okay, so can we go... If we did this... This could be pretty nuts, actually. Oh, look at that. That's pretty great. Ooh, I like that. Okay, wait, we got possibilities here.